In this video, I am going to show you how to create a TikTok account on your phone in just a few minutes. So if you are new to TikTok, don't worry, just follow this simple guide till the end. First, go to Play Store or App Store, search for TikTok and download the app. Once it's installed, open it. Now go to Profile, then tap on Login. You can also create your account using a browser. Just open any browser on your phone or PC, go to tiktok.com, then open the profile section and tap on login. From here, the process is the same for both the app and the browser. Now tap on the sign up button. You will see different options like phone number, email, Facebook, Google account. Choose the one that is easiest for you. I am using email. Here enter your email address and tap on continue. Now here enter the code which is sent to your email address. Now enter your date of birth from here and tap on continue. Now create a strong password for your account. Make sure it is at least 8 characters long and includes a combination of letters, numbers and special characters. Like this. Then tap on continue. Now enter your name here and tap on continue. And that's it, your TikTok account is ready. Now you can set your profile picture and bio. So that's how you can easily create a TikTok account in just a few minutes. If this video helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe the channel. Thank you.